Well, Monica taught me something. After that 6 weeks, maybe up to about 3 months, Monica made a video for me. She gave me permission to tell her story. It's just such a fantastic story. But Monica went back to eating how she ate before. Her problem was chips. She used to have a bag of chips, and she'd have a bag of chips every day.
Wow.
And Monica went back to eating her chips, lots of fatty meats, and everything that put her in trouble before. She recognized the change. She went back to it. And I started looking at what is it that would pull Monica back into this. And I realized a lot of it is our trauma or brokenness. And that we're actually medicating ourselves with food.
That's true.
Or the lifestyle that are hurting us, these are actually drugs. So you can have food for healing, or you can have food as a drug. And helping individuals go through this process.
You could also have food as a disease-causing agent.
Yes.